Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this board today I'm going to show you how to make a cut text video in Filmora 13. So let's get started with the first step today, that create the text. So we go to the title window here and select the default title and drag and drop it onto the timeline, right? And you can type in the text wherever you want. And here is the slide, typing with slide. And you can adjust your text with the font size, even with the color, and you can go to the advanced to select the effect text or outline of the text, right? But here I just remain until it's okay and take a snapshot. When you're done with your text, you take a snapshot, right? And delete everything on the timeline. And you drag and drop the snapshot on the second track, because with the first track I'll let it for the final step to put my video background for final result, right? And here with the snapshot for second track, you can double click and go to the mask and select the roll the mask. You can roll any mask shape as you want to create the cut text in here. Let me show you. Right, it's done. Right, you can adjust the row mask with the extend or blur or opacity here with the blur strength that will make a fade of the X, the cut, right? You see 4, I make it 4, and you see it's a little bit fade out here. You see that? Okay, so I do it the same way for third track. I drag and drop the snapshot on the third track, and I do the same way. Okay. It's done. Now you see the cuts here. You see that? And you can adjust it the same way. And it's done. Very easy to make a cut text. But now for next step. Okay. I think it's okay. So for next step, I'm gonna show you how we can add the animation with the preset animation and combine with the keyframe panel, right? So I stretch it out and cut it, right? And I lock for the third track to easy edit with the second track, right? And now use keyframe panel. So my idea here, I want to make take it slowly, maybe go down like this, and then this fade out. So that's mean I need to use the fade out effect and keyframe combined with the keyframe panel with the change position of the piece of the text here, right? And now let me show you. So I click the text, go to the animation first, and then you double click the fade out effect here, and it's appear here, right? You can move the point, white point, that the keyframe that to make the effect appear slowly or faster as you want, right? Take a review. It slowly fade out, right? And with more, I'm gonna add the position, keyframe position here, right? Go to basic and you see position and keyframe panel with the position that the starting point here and ending point. I put it here next to the fade out effect, right? Disappear here, see that? And with the ending point, you need to hold the screen and move it down to the place, to the position in the screen that you want, and I put it at the right corner and the bottom, right? See here, and you take a review. You see, but here it looks just something is one not. I want to make it look more flexible here, and I click the position and U keyframe panel, and I click with the X axis to let the ears out here. You see, and you see you can adjust up or down. You see how the text move. It depends on it's up for your idea. It's up depends on you. For your idea, it's easy to use, right? Now you take a review. You see the motion of the text, it look more cinematic. Alright, more flexible here, right? So for next for the next part, I do the same way. Just lock the second track and third track. I do the same way. So first, yeah, the animation with the freeze animation fade out effect here, and Morris, and I move light at the beginning of the snapshot. Go to the basic and add animation again. Do the same. I want to move flavor go up like this right here, and now you go to the keyframe panel to make it more flexible. The motion, detect the motion. Now let's see how it works. You see it? It's easy, right? Okay, you just the rest you can hold it and make it fit with your keyframe, right? Now take a view for whole. Okay, to make it look more cinematic, more interesting, you can go to sticker and find the sticker with the element 7. That's free pack. You just download, click to download and use it, and you put it. Okay, you can add just a little bit, so the cut is here. Okay, from the top to the corner here, and then you just rotate it to make it fit your idea, right? And take a review. You see, it's really good, right? And now for the last part, I could share with you at the video background. So I select the background from the stock media, and I go to the attract pack and select the regional BG's media 10 here, right? With the pin, with the diamond pin icon here, that's you have to pay for fee if you want to use it, but the use it free, use the free one here. And you see, take a review. Okay, so now with the problem, you just click the snapshot purple, right, and go to the blend mode, composite, and blend mode. You select the lighten, right, and the problem is resolved. See that? That's you, right? Okay, that's done the tip I want to share with you today. Hope you enjoy my video today, and thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like my video today, and please hit the subscribe button below to support me to achieve my goal with the 1K subscriber, right? Thank you very much again, and see you next video. See ya.